Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we want to talk about baby Doge today. So first I want to thank Roderick Vision for subscribing to my channel, and he wrote me in the comments in my last videos that I should make a video and a TA about baby Doge. So dude, here it is. Right now we're starting here on the 4-hourly chart, and you can see in this area baby Doge formed a kind of support, but above here's a resistance. So right now it's just trading in between support and resistance. So let me do a fixed price volume. So actually at this level here, that is the most traded volume in this area. So because of, let me mark this out here. So actually in this and in this area, so this is red for resistance and this is green for support. Actually it's trading and bouncing between support and resistance. Every time the price comes lower, you can look for a long position, and every time it comes to this resistance line, you can look for a short position. So you can make little gains from every move baby Doge or another altcoin or Bitcoin will make. But if we zoom out, look here on the bigger time frame, the daily, then you can see that baby Doge formed this massive big falling wedge. And you know, a falling wedge is a bullish pattern that is more likely to break to the upside than to the downside. I guess the ratio is 70% to the upside, 30% to the downside. The price target is every time the beginning of this pattern. So that would be here. And this could be a potential gain if it breaks out here at around 330 to 470. So 140, that could be the potential pump. So yeah, 140, 135. So let's say 140. But for this, it has first to break out of this accumulation area. The next step is here, the EMA ribbons. So that baby Doge has also to break. And the next one is here, this yellow resistance box. So a lot of resistance above, but you know, it's crypto, everything is possible. So for right now, if you want to trade these short-term moves, look on the 4-hourly or hourly chart. As I told you, then you can, of course, trade this. Check out my links in the description. You can trade this on Phemex or Bybit. If you want to use my links, that would support me. Thank you very much for this. and you will get a bonus depending on your first initial deposit. But this is no financial advice. I'm no financial advisor, so make your own research and your own due diligence. So for right now, I would wait for a confirmation. If it breaks above this level here, what is right now resistance, then of course you can open a long position, but be careful because of the EMA ribbon that are coming in right above this resistance line here. So actually, if we zoom out and look at the whole picture, I think it's really possible that Baby Doge will one day come back again to this all-time high here, what is created in January. So let's look here right now at CoinMarketCap, Baby Doge. So the market cap is right now here at 1 billion. So the price have to move up. Like it has to triple. So that could definitely possible. That could definitely happen. But first, watch out these short-term levels I told you. And if Baby Doge will break out of this falling wedge, that would be a perfect moment, perfect entry. So set your alerts here at around 330. Set your alerts that you will not miss out this big move to the upside. If it breaks to the downside, be careful. This happens you once. So this was a fake out. So be careful if this will not be another fake out to the downside to grab some liquidity. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching. Leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. And we see us in the next video. And tell me in the comments which altcoin do you want me to look at in the next video. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.